Oys, pagwapa gyud ang inahan. Okay, going na mi ani para sa graduation day. Para ni Kiking. Ready na pag si Yen, si Dayday GL, uban ni Tulog.
As their school head, I hereby certify that he has satisfactorily completed all the requirements of the K-12 basic education curriculum prescribed by the Department of Education. Sir, for your confirmation.
By virtue of the authority vested in me by the Department of Education, upon the certification of your school head, Dr. Emilita I. Suarez, that you have satisfactorily completed all the academic requirements prescribed by the Department of Education on this 14th day of April 2025, I hereby confirm your completion at Mambatangan National High School, school year 2024-2025, with all the rights and privileges appertaining thereto. Congratulations.
Daw certification.
Zone 9, Mambatangan, Manolo Portage, Bukidnon. Maribohon North JA, Zone 2, Mambatangan, Manolo Portage, Bukidnon. Basayon Charlie M, Zone 7, Mambatangan.
Congrats King, nakadawat siya ani og with honor og Best in MAPI Award. Tabo din si GL, gitagaan siya og garland. Ug kapil pa dayon si Yen, gitagaan siya sa garland. So picture na, picture. Kauban dayon si Papa Jojo, si Mango Dayday, si Yen og si GL. Well, so congrats mga kids. 2024-2025 batch. So human ang graduation, pauli nami. Pa-relax nami kay human na ang among lakaw karong day. So congratulations Kuya Kiking. Hinaot pagpadayon imo pagpanimbasog sa pag-eskwela. Taman mahuman kasi mo pag-eskwela. So maarat siya guys. Pauli nami. Bye. Congratulations sa tanan nag-graduate karon nga tuiga. Bye.